Whenever we go to Santo Domingo, it's usually because we have something to do there for the business or renewing the residencia. You can leave Bavaro early in the morning, either by bus or by car. Most appointments are early in the morning, and there's a lot of traffic in Santo Domingo. And so we decided to go the night before and to stay in a hotel. I only booked the room just a couple of minutes before we arrived, and I got a really good deal at the Fiesta Santo Domingo. They had a price for $35 per person, including breakfast, and you can't beat this, even if you stay in Cabañas. So we went to the Fiesta, and I am happy that I can show you a room here. We went for dinner too, and then for the breakfast in the city hotel. So whenever you go to Santo Domingo, check out the prices and maybe you get a good deal like we did here in the Fiesta Resort. I booked the room with the Expedia app on my phone, which I use frequently for traveling, not because I'm a huge fan of Expedia, but the app is very easy to use. And I have my debit card there, so when I see an offer like this, I just hit buy now or book now. And then really when we got there a couple of minutes later, the reception had all the information. Our room here is at the 7th floor. There's only the rooftop restaurant above us. And as you can see already, this is not one of the modern new hotels. The Fiesta has been here for a while. The wooden doors, the carpet, and then when you have a look at our room, this is our room 750. You see they have, instead of keys, they already do have the room cards, the key cards. But you have the feeling that you're a little bit set back in time. Again, here the green carpet, but everything is there that you need. This is a normal bathroom as well. Everything was working fine. Everything was very clean. And I like it when they have the shampoo and the conditioner there, the soap, that for us that we just travel overnight, we don't have to bring anything. Yeah, big TV, a double bed. You even have the couch area, the sofa over there. We had a little mini bar, which we didn't use because the mini bar was not included. And this is our view here. It's nice once in a while to get out of Bavaro and go to the city. Since we came so late, we couldn't use the pool anymore. There's a pool that belongs to the hotel that you can use. And there are also tennis courts. There is a fitness studio inside, a gym. I just love the view. The lights now at Christmas time. You have all the Christmas lights too. In the far back there's the ocean, so it's not too far from the ocean as well. And there's a pool again, and you can see the tennis courts. They were quite busy already in the morning when we went for breakfast. For dinner, we went up to the rooftop restaurant. I was hoping for dinner under the stars, but it's all inside. So you can also use it when it's raining. Air conditioning. It's quite modern up there. It's not so romantic, a lot of lights, but it's okay to get something to eat. It's not included, but we got a coupon with a 20% discount on the prices here in La Azotea, which was quite good. Normal prices here. Some of the dishes a little bit more expensive, but you could have pizza or pasta just for a normal price over here. Yeah, we were lucky enough having the restaurant just on top of our room, more or less. And we dined with a view. to the city. The food wasn't really to write home about. We didn't like it too much. Even thought it looked nice. Could have been better. Big difference to the breakfast next morning, where we didn't really know what to choose because, first of all, there was so much food. There was bread, different kinds of breads that you could heat up. Then, of course, you have cereals and different kinds of milk here. There is salami, there is ham, there is cheese, there is cold or hot breakfast here as well. They have the mango, so you can eat Dominican breakfast. Of course, it's a hotel that's in the city and a lot of Dominicans stay here as well. Then you have here the ham, you have the sausage, the eggs, or the sweet. I honestly had something from each and every corner because I couldn't resist. Yeah, that's it. And that's it here from Santo Domingo today, from the Fiesta Hotel in Santo Domingo. A great deal. If you go to Santo Domingo, if you have to go there for business or to do something or just to get to know the city a little bit better, I always find when you stay overnight, you are less stressed, you have more time. And as well, if you're here as a tourist or as a resident, as an expat, it's always nice to spend the evening in the old city, which we didn't do this time. But every other time I try to spend some time in the old city. I hope you liked the video, guys. I see you hopefully next week again with the hotel video from Punta Cana, where most of you go. So take care, and I see you again next week here on Punta Cana, all you can see.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. La 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 la, la casa del merengue. La 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 la, y la casa de la bachata.